Hello everybody and welcome back. Let's continue on with question number 7 on the 2004 Gauss paper. If x equals -4 and y equals 4, which of the following expressions gives the largest answer? Okay. So questions like this happen to pop up from time to time. Here are some expressions. This is something that you could only really get in a multiple choice style question. You would never get a written question that would be like this, because they need to give you a certain number of options and you need to just find which one's the biggest. Okay. Now, depending on the way they give you the question, you can you might be able to just sort of read off the solution and say, that one's winning, okay, no, that one's bigger, that one's okay, and then this last one's even bigger. You might be able to do that in your head really quickly, and that's a great test of your mental arithmetic. Okay, but a surefire way to do that, to sort of do this question, is take each of the possibilities in turn and work them out given the x and the y that we have. And that's what I'm going to do. So we've got x over y, we've got y minus 1, we've got x minus 1, negative xy. I'm inclined to believe the multiplication will be the biggest. The x times y, it'll be a big, because these are both bigger than 1, it'll be a somewhat big two-digit, it'll be negative 16, and then the minus sign in front makes it positive. So it should be D16. But we'll double check. The last one, of course, x plus y. Okay, so let's just write these out and calculate them. So over y, I think it was y minus 1, x minus 1, negative xy, and x plus y. Okay, let's just go back and double check. Yes. Okay, and x is -4, y is 4. So -4 over 4, not too hard. We see that's -1. So automatically that's our champion. That's the number to beat. So y is 4, so y minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So currently 3 is in the lead. -4 minus 1, -5. Still 3 is our answer. Now we get -4 times 4, so that's going to be positive 16. So this one's winning so far, and there's nothing we can do, because x plus y is just 0. So our answer is D. Okay. Not a whole lot to say about these questions. That's why they don't pop up every year, because there's not a whole lot of math going on. This is a question where you might be able to save time if you can do a lot of mental arithmetic, and I do recommend you practice your mental arithmetic. Trying to be able to work out 35 times 35 in your head really quickly, or 24 times 26. There are tricks to doing these things. Mental arithmetic is a great thing, and it would make short work of question 7. Wouldn't have to do much calculation. Certainly not pen to paper style calculation. But as they're not really testing a whole lot in this question, these don't pop up. They'll be there every once in a while. But let's move on to question number 8, which I'll see you guys in the next video when we handle that one.